So today, I want to show you one of my favorite AI tools right now, and honestly, I think a lot of you are going to love this one. It's called Napkin AI, and what it does is really simple. You give it text, any text, and it automatically turns it into a visual, like a diagram, a flowchart, an infographic, a timeline, whatever makes sense for the content. And the best part? You don't need to be a designer. You don't need Canva skills. You don't need to know anything about graphic design. You just write, click one button, and Napkin does the rest. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through everything. How to sign up, how to create your first visual, how to customize it, and how to export it so you can use it anywhere. Let's get into it. All right, first thing, let's get you signed up. Go to app.napkin.ai. I'll put the link in the description. Now, one important thing before we start, account creation only works on a desktop computer. So if you're on your phone or tablet right now, bookmark this video and come back when you're at your laptop or PC. Okay, so you'll land on the sign up page and you've got two options. You can sign up with your Google account, which is the fastest way, or you can use an email and password. I'm going to go with Google because it's literally 2 clicks. Click sign in with Google, pick your account, then click continue, and just like that, you're in. Welcome to Napkin AI. It'll walk you through a quick setup where it asks you a couple of questions about how you plan to use it. Just answer those. It only takes a few seconds. Now you've got 2 ways to get content in here. Option 1, you paste in your own existing text. Like if you've already got a blog post, a report, notes from a meeting, anything, you just paste it in. Option 2, you let the AI generate content for you from scratch. This is great if you're starting with just an idea or a topic and you want Napkin to do the writing too. Let me show you both, starting with the AI generation option because it's the quickest way to see how powerful this tool is. Okay, so let's create our first document. Click on by describing my idea right here. And this opens up your document editor. Think of this like a blank page where you're going to write your content and then let Napkin turn it into visuals. I'm going to type in the 5 stages of the customer journey and hit enter. And look at that. Napkin just wrote a full document for me. It's broken it down into 5 stages with descriptions for each one. I didn't write a single word. That took maybe 5 seconds. This is already saving me a ton of time. Okay, so now here's the part that's going to blow your mind. See this text? We're going to turn it into a visual automatically. Here's how it works. When you hover over any block of text, you'll see a blue button pop up on the left side. That's the Generate Visual button. It looks like a little spark or lightning bolt icon. Just hover over the text and it appears. Go ahead and click that. Click it, and now watch. Napkin is reading your text and generating a bunch of different visual options for you. Give it a few seconds. And there we go. Look at all of these. Napkin gave us multiple different visual options. You've got different diagram styles, different layouts, all automatically generated from that one block of text. This is where it gets really fun. So you can scroll through all of these and pick the one that you like best. Some are more circular, some are linear, some show it as a funnel. Napkin gives you all the options and you just pick your favorite. I really like this one right here. I'll click on this one and it drops right into my document. Just like that, my plain text now has a professional visual next to it. No Canva, no PowerPoint, no design work, done. Now let's talk about customization, because you're not stuck with whatever Napkin generates. You can change the icons, the colors, and resize elements. Let me show you exactly how each one works. First, icons. Click on any icon inside your visual. You'll see a small set of tools appear around it. Hover over the blue spark icon in that toolbar and it gives you options to swap the icon out for a different one. You can search for a specific icon too using the spark search. Just type what you're looking for, like star or arrow, and it'll find it for you. Next, colors. To change any color inside your visual, just click on any element. a text box, an icon, a shape, and a color menu pops up right there. You can change the text color and the background color, pick from the palette, or if you have a specific brand color, you can type in the exact hex code. And lastly, resizing. Click on any element inside the visual and you'll see small square handles appear around it. Just drag those handles to make it bigger or smaller. Simple as that. And there you go. Same visual, but now with your own colors, icons, and sizing. It looks like something a graphic designer made. Took us maybe 2 minutes total. Now, let me quickly show you the other method, pasting in your own text. Because most of the time, you're going to come in here with content you already have. Maybe you wrote something in Google Docs, or you've got notes, or you copied something from a report. I'm just going to paste in some text I already have. This is a simple list about building a morning routine. Nothing fancy. Now watch what happens when I hover over it and hit that generate visual button. And boom! Napkin reads my text and immediately generates visual options for it. It knows this is a step-by-step list, so it's giving me options that look like process flows and checklists. I'll pick this one. Perfect. My pasted text is now a visual, ready to drop into any presentation or document. All right, last step. You've created your visual, you love it. Now let's get it out of Napkin so you can actually use it. You've got 2 ways to export. Option 1, export just the visual by itself. Hover over it and you'll see an export button appear in the top right corner of the visual. Click that and a window pops up where you choose your format. I'll go with PNG for now. Click download and it saves straight to my computer. Option 2, if you want to export your entire document with all the text and visuals together, click the share button up here in the top right corner and select export PDF. And here you get 3 format options. Single continuous page, A4, US letter, or presentation. Pick whichever format suits what you need, and your whole document downloads as a clean PDF. And that's the full walkthrough of Napkin AI, from signing up to creating your first visual to exporting it. Honestly, I think this tool is a game changer, especially if you create content, do presentations, make reports, or just need to explain ideas visually without having to spend hours in Canva or PowerPoint. The link to sign up for free is in the description below. Give it a try, paste in some of your own text, and see what Napkin comes up with. I think you'll be surprised at how good the results are. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe. I've got more AI tool tutorials coming your way every week. Drop a comment below and let me know what you're going to use Napkin AI for. I'd love to hear. See you in the next one.